Welcome to Auto Install. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Outlast Trials fatal error, including UE4-OPP and game process as crashed issue.
Fix 1. Verify game files Step 1. Open Steam Step 2. Go to Library right, click the Outlast Trials Step 3. Select Properties, Installed Files Step 4. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Fix 2. Update Graphics Drivers Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience /AMD Adrenalin Step 2. Check for latest driver Step 3. Update and restart PC. Fix 3. Run game as administrator Step 1. Open Steam, Library Step 2. Right-click Game, Manage, Browse Local Files Step 3. Right-click Outlast Trials. exe Run as administrator Fix 4. Disable Overlays. UE4 Crash Cause. Step 1. Disable Steam Overlays Step 2. Turn off Discord /NVIDIA /Xbox Overlays Step 3. Relaunch the game. Fix 5. Delete config files Step 1. Press 1 plus R, type %localaptida Step 2. Open OPP or Outlast Trials folder Step 3. Delete the save folder Step 4. Restart game, files auto, rebuild. Fix 6. Install /repair Visual C++ Step 1. Open game folder _common redist Step 2. Install Visual C++ 2015 to 2022. x64 and x86. Step 3. Restart PC.